What's your username on Instagram?
Jane Rocks Instagram. Why?
I was just wondering because I'm thinking about doing the Instagram thing for my business. Is it paying dividends? How's it working out?
Yeah, look me up. It's awesome.
I don't want to look it up right now. I don't know how to do that.
Oh gosh, please. Come on.
I'm a dinosaur.
You can do it. Anybody can use Instagram. It's super easy.
How many followers you got?
I don't know, 300,000?
You're lying.
No, really.
You're lying. How can you have that many people unless you're doing some stuff that's, we won't even go there.
Okay. I'm not twerking on every post, okay?
Every other post, maybe.
Not even.
Really?
Listen, really.
Seriously.
I promise. But I will say, it's good that you're looking into it because it's been killer for my business. For sure.
Can you help me with this setup?
Absolutely. I got you.
Okay. Let's try it.
Hey guys, can you do us a favor?
Stop making stupid mistakes and sign up right now.